So I have my 16 gauge material here. Now, with thinner materials, you run the risk of burning through or distorting your material. So in order not to burn through, you want to travel faster with a shorter distance. Also, you don't want to put too much heat into the material to prevent distortion. Now, I'm going to demonstrate on a shorter travel distance and a long travel distance to show you both. First thing you want to do is reset your wire speed and voltage to the proper thickness. We're going to set ours to 16 gauge. Now, as you can see here, I've already put down two lines. One is 3/4 of an inch and one is roughly 2 inches long. You're going to see on the 3/4 of an inch, I'm going to increase my travel speed to prevent burning through. I'm going to tack twice, start my puddle very quickly, and then move through much more rapidly than the previous exercises. Now on the second one, I'm going to tack twice, and I'm going to draw through at the same rate, but I'm going to go for a longer travel distance. As you can see right there, I just burned through. Taking a look at the material, you can see a hole 3/4 of the way through that 2-inch line that I just put down. Now, from the side view, you can see how the distortion of the material has caused warping. On thinner materials, this is going to happen if you put too much heat into the material. From the back side, you can see that I'm overly penetrated, and you can see where I burned through. On the 3/4 inch, not so much.